Greetings, fifth graders. This is your grammar video for Unit 1, Week 2 of Wonders. And this week we're going to start talking about subjects and predicates. And I know that you've heard this information a little bit before, but now we're going to be taking it to the next level, of course, because you're in fifth grade. So let's just remind ourselves that sentences are made up of two parts. Those parts are subject and predicate. The subject, of course, is the part of the sentence that is who or what the sentence is about. And then what the subject does is the predicate. So just two parts, that's it. And when we're talking about complete subjects, a complete subject is when you are trying to find that subject and any words that describe the words. So here's an example. The goats and cows perked up their ears. So in this sentence, if we were looking for the complete subjects, we would look for what or who did the action. Well, we would say the goats and cows. So we would say that our entire complete subject is the goats and cows. Then when we move on to complete predicate, you'll need to find all the words that are associated with what the subject did. So our subject was the goats and cows. And what did they do? They perked up their ears. So now we're going to drill down and we're going to talk just about the simple subject and the simple predicate. Many times you're just asked to find the simple subject and the simple predicate. And this is just typically going to be one or maybe two words for the subject and maybe one or two words for the predicate. You might have three or four, but not very often. So let's take a look. Earlier we knew that the goats and cows was our complete predicate, or complete subject, excuse me. And now we're going to look here and we just want to find the simple subject. So we're just going to go, well, the only two things that were doing anything in this sentence were goats, cows. So that's our complete our simple subject. And then when we look over here, the only word that we're really worried about in that complete predicate that we found earlier is the only thing that they really did, the only action word, the only verb in here is the word perked. That's it. So our simple predicate in this sentence is simply the word perked. Okay, that's it for today. Make sure you take any good notes. If you need to go back and review this video at some point, you are sure welcome to do that. Thank you for listening, and you may turn off the video now.